Ke ala ke aloha ma kahikina kabina kala iha iha i hae o ka iwi ula I ka lai ka ho'oki pamalini e malea mai I ka paulani olea mai ke alahina no e kipa mai ka hale a pauahi e o lano kakoa maua kue e o lano kakoa maua kue. Aloha mai kako, everyone. Welcome to the Bishop Museum for those of you who are visiting for the first time, and welcome back to those of you who have been here before. On behalf of all the staff and volunteers at the Bishop Museum, I just want to welcome you to Hawaiian Hall here, which is in the Oli that you just heard. You heard Halea Hawaii, which is the House of Hawaii. And although Bernice Hawaii Bishop never lived in this structure, we consider this her home because it holds her